if you want to take extra cash with Dave app, so head over to dave.com. Now scroll down to find extra cash option. So here, click on this, get instantly Dave checking, get cash, learn more, and this is the section that you want to go to. So here, this is how members get extra cash: groceries, gas, transportation, usually zero or rent. So this is the members. You can get up to $500 extra cash. So this is how it works. Sign up in the platform, choose your amount. You have option to come up to how much you take, up to $500. Now spend it decently. You can transfer extra cash to their checking account, and you can pay it back later, so you agree to settlement date when you take your money. And if you're eligible, you will get this extra cash bonus. And this is it, guys. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave a